Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Digilogue Collection series. In this one, it's just a simple, very short unpackaging. I got a new addition, well, I guess 3 new additions to the Digilogue Collection. This is a computer I never had before, and let's see what it is. It is a Timex Sinclair 1000. The box actually comes with 2 computers, so this is one of them, and it also comes with a Timex printer, the 2040 printer, and I believe one of them comes with all the power supplies and TV adapter cable. There you go. I got it because my first ever computer was a Sinclair Spectrum ZX128K, and I wanted to get one for here. And of course, the Sinclair Spectrums are very hard to get here in the United States. But they produced in the 80s a US version, which together with Timex Corporation, which is basically the Sinclair Timex 1000. This is the first version, and it says right here on the box, the Timex Sinclair 1000 is the first personal computer featuring our new microchip design. The design utilizes 4 powerful microchips, including a unique master chip that replaces as many as 18 chips on other personal computers. The Timex Sinclair 1000, with the optional 16 kilobyte RAM pack accessory, which actually do have it on these boxes, is a compact computer with all the power and high performance capacity you are likely to need for personal use. This was under $100, in fact it was $99 for the time. It was the cheapest computer at the time. So let's have a look how it looks. Check it out. It comes all original packaging, which is very nice. In fact, this one has a price tag of $49.95. So it's half price of it. And there you go. Wow, this is tiny. Tiny computer. Look at that. Super tiny. The keyboard is horrible. Many people at the time hated the keyboard. It's not even chiclet, it's just a flat membrane that you can press, and just like other Sinclair computers, you could input basic commands rather than by typing them letter by letter. For example, you don't type print, P-R-I-N-T, but rather the key print, the letter P can produce the whole keyword print if you are in a certain mode. So all those keys have a lot of symbols in them. Expansion port on the back, that's where you also put the extra memory, 60 kilobytes memory, and that's where you also connect the printer. And it has a power supply, TV output, and the microphone and sound output as well. This works with Cassette Player, channel 2, channel 3 selection for the United States TV. This comes with a lot of manuals, which is very nice. It's the original manual service contracts. This is really good condition. I don't think this has been used a lot. Okay, let's see what's in the printer box. So this is the Timex Sinclair 2040 personal printer, and I believe it came with a roll of paper, although I don't know if this one still has that. Timex Sinclair 2040. Oh, there you go. Wow, that is nice. So tiny. Look at that. One of the smallest printers I've ever seen. And the buttons are the off and on and advanced. Really are the same technology as the keyboard on the actual computer. This is the connector for the back of the computer. And here, I believe, yeah, this is it. This is the expanded 16 kilobytes of memory, Timex Sinclair 1016. So I believe you plug this in the computer, and then the memory plugs on the back of it. So basically, it's an extension of the back socket. It even comes with paper. There's a paper roll. I do not know if obviously the ink probably is dried out by now and the heads need to be cleaned, but This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's put them all here. There we go. That's how this would look. And there you go. Timex Sinclair 1000 computer with a 2040 printer and the 16 kilobytes memory expansion, which really was needed because the memory that comes with it is just way too little to operate the computer. Beautiful. So we'll do a separate episode on we'll actually connect this to the TV and play around with some games and basic programming. But for now, here you have it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time.